Hello and welcome to Nowhere. My name is Trish and I am the creator behind Nowhere Novelties. Today I'm going to throw a little bit of everything at this cup. A full wrap, glitter, and a decal. This is the final outcome. I think it's beautiful. If you're ready, let's strap in and shoot for the stars. I have a 20-ounce skinny straight from Maker Flow Crafts, and this is a full wrap. It's pre-cut to fit most 20-ounce skinnies, and I believe this is from Alana's gift shop. So basically all I'm going to do is kind of triple check that it does actually meet up, and I trim off the like the white edging to make it a little bit easier to line it up with the edge of the top of the cup. So I got that cut off there. And when I do a full wrap to make sure I'm getting the initial anchor point in the right spot, I flip the cup upside down and put basically my top edge on the desk, line it up, get it pressed on, and then triple check that the edging is perfect. And then if it's not, like it wasn't here, I redo the anchor point, triple check, and then push off that backing paper. And like I said, this kind of pre-cut full wrap fits most skinny straights. It's kind of universal. So this one was a little bit oversized in terms of I had a little bit of excess at the bottom rim. So once I got the vinyl fully onto the tumbler, I did have to take off about a 1/4 of an inch on the seam and then a very little bit on the very bottom rim. For the glitter application, I wanted a just soft waterfall type effect from the bottom and top rim. So I'm going through and applying Mod Podge all over the cup. Obviously, I'm not going to be glittering the middle section of the cup, but I want Mod Podge to be everywhere so that when I tilt the cup up and get that cascade, it doesn't abruptly stop anywhere. So I'm using Golden Pineapple here from Glitter Heart Company. This is a nice translucent, holographic, shifty, yellow, chunky mix. And on the bottom rim, I am using Fool's Gold from the Glitter Grind. This is more of a solid gold, but it does shift to a red or rose gold, and it still has a little bit of that green shift as well, like the Golden Pineapple. I thought these colors complemented each other well as the the shift from the yellow sunflowers to the orange sunflowers on the actual vinyl wrap. So I did cover the glitter with 2 coats of epoxy until it was smooth. And then I knew I wanted to add a decal. So I have this Stay Wild Moon Child. I believe is from Alana's gift shop as well. If it's not, I'll definitely have it listed in the description box down below. It is not a white back decal. It looks almost like it wants to be, but I don't think it was going to actually show up if I put it directly onto the vinyl. So I did do a offset or outline of the shape of the decal in Cricut Design Space, so that I could have a white backing on this decal. So I anchored it to the white vinyl and then transferred it over to my cup. And that is all for this tutorial. This one is a pretty straightforward one. Just the full vinyl wrap, some glitter with Mod Podge, and a decal. So if you like this tutorial, please like and subscribe. I will see you all next time. Bye-bye now.